What's up, everyone? So a lot of comments on my Uplift Desk review that I made a few months ago are trending in this, whoa, more FaceTime than desk time. Ooh, hating on my face. Well, guess what? I watched that video and you are absolutely right. So in this 6-month check-in, we're gonna be looking at the desk again, talking about my likes, a few of my dislikes, and it's mostly gonna be around the desk. I'm actually gonna pull this desk out so you can see the back. You wanna see the back of the desk and not the front of my face, right? Slide this out. Let's slide it out. How's he doing it? How's he doing it? How's he doing? How's he sliding it? We'll get to it in a moment. From this angle, you will see that I have an 80-inch walnut laminate surface, not the real wood. This is walnut laminate. And on the bottom, I have the black frame. If you look closely below, I do not have that industrial frame version where there is a connected T-bar. I also do not have 4 separate legs. I have 2 legs and they're connected beneath, which you'll see in a clip later. So this is the control I got. They actually have a few different options on Uplift Desk. This one is probably their mid-range one. And even if it's only for you, you could actually come up with really clever ideas to use for these 4 buttons. For example, for me, button 1 is my seated position. Button 2 is my standing position. Button 3 is a position which it is just high enough where I can easily slide my chair underneath the desk. And button 4 raises the desk as high as possible. What's up, y'all? So this is the underbelly of the desk. In my first review, you would have probably seen this. Who knows? Maybe you just saw my face and you didn't see this, but anyways. I actually installed this aftermarket. I put this in last week and I have a video, I'll link it up above. Really love it. This is okay if you're not really big on adding a lot of products on top of your desk, but what I found is it would have cables protruding out both sides, and this made it difficult. Basically, I would take one plug out and I would have to pull all kinds of other things out. While we're down here, here is another hack. I have these magnets with hooks that I've put onto the frame itself because these legs are metal. And what this helps do is it keeps the cables that do have to actually extend out of the desk, mainly this single power line, from being able to go up and down as the desk grows, but also be tucked neatly close to the desk so it doesn't feel like it's just randomly hanging. All right, so you've seen the front and you've seen the bottom. Now let's go check out the back. This might be the one that I would rethink. This is like a power block for the Philips Hue. The moment I do this, nothing's gonna fit on this side. Here's a free grommet cover. I can't complain much because it's free, but this is how it works, and I figured I'd show you because I wasn't expecting this. If you really wanted to close the grommet cover, you actually have to come from the bottom and do something like this. You can see it's very flimsy. Again, this is all plastic. And so I just keep it open all the time just so I can run cables through. Again, I can't complain, it's free. Just figured I'd show you because I thought this would be one of those things where you can like open and close from the top. All right, so here is an aftermarket hack. I use these instead of caster wheels to slide the desk across the carpet. 2 on each side, and you'll see how it actually works.